What's up, everybody? Hey, what's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? So I just wanted to say hello today. I'm vlogging today, January 30th, 2010. And I just wanted to say, are you having a good day today? I hope you are. I went out and I couldn't believe it. I found my favorite shampoo over by this little plaza area, and I haven't seen it in ages. It's got wheat germ extract in it, and that works really well with my hair. So, hey, it looks like we're having a little visitor come here. Cupcake, are you going to come here and get on camera? Come here. Paw, 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 paw. Wow. Shake, shake. Wow. Shake. Come on. Very well, let me shake. Paw, paw, paw. Cupcake, paw. Come on. Paw. Oh, he's tired of it. Hey, what about you? Do you want to give me your paw? You can do it too. Wait, here's your crunchies for being a good boy with the paw. And we're gonna move. There you go. Paw. Paw. Shake. Paw. Oh, he's already got the crunchies. So we're gonna see if Merlin will do it. Hey, Merlin. Can you give me your... Oh, he shakes with the other hand. Paw. 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 Very good. Paw. Oh, very good. Now watch in German. Shaken Sie bitte. Shaken Sie bitte. Well, he doesn't understand German. Shaken Sie bitte. Paw. I don't know. Paw. I'll give you tuna. Paw. 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 Come on. You want some tuna? Paw. Paw. Oh. So cute. Paw. You want some tuna? Paw. Want some crunchies? Paw. Oh. Come on. Come on. Paw. Here we go. Come on. Very good. Well, let me grab it. Paw. Shake, shake. Shake hands. Shake. Paw. Want some tuna? Oh, here's the crunchies. Crunchies. Paw. Paw. Very good. Paw. Do it again. Paw. You distracted? Paw. Paw. And he's got the crunchies now. Paw. Merlin. Paw. Thank you. Paw. Paw. One more time. Shake, shake.
Very good.
Cheers, mate.